Yo, GM, what's going on? Today on Hidden Secrets Revealed Live, Michael Burry of Scion Asset Management, the inspiration behind The Big Short, is betting against the entire stock market. Michael Burry's hedge fund, Scion Asset Management, currently has put options in place to short the US stock market. He is the inspiration for Christian Bale's character in the movie The Big Short about the subprime crisis of 2008. Let's talk about it today on Hidden Secrets Revealed Live. Who this is for. I want to tell you, just to clarify, who this show is for and who it's not for, so I don't waste your time and you don't waste mine. This show is for self-actualizers, agents of progress, if you will, making the most of their lives. This micro podcast live stream, the only one of its kind right now on the subject, live on X, formerly known as Twitter. It's the only one on the subject going live right now. Therefore, it is the most popular live stream podcast on the subject going live right now. It is not for you if you take yourself too seriously. If you are a seeker, let me be your guide to discover divine and fundamental truth for yourself. Let me help you increase the quality and effectiveness of your life by revealing to you the hidden secrets of the universe. This show is specifically for those who are seeking new perspectives, fresh ideas, and a willingness to explore new possibilities. My intention is to help you stay ahead of the curve and make the most out of emerging opportunities. Let's get into it today on HSRL. Imagine going to a casino and betting against every single game they've got. Michael Burry, the inspiration movie The Big Short, about the 2008 subprime crisis, is at it again. But this time, it's not the single family residential housing market that is going to collapse. Michael Burry's hedge fund, Scion Asset Management, currently has put options in place against the entire US stock market. You know, when I heard about Michael Burry's bets against the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100, I couldn't help but think, man, this guy really knows how to make a statement. The statement is, you thought this was going to be a mild recession. This is the calm before the storm. If you know the story of the 2008 economic crisis, you can recognize that Burry has solid data points behind these radical moves. This is a huge bet. He's talking about historical patterns, comparing the current market to past crashes, and dismissing rebounds as dead cat bounces. Burry has argued that the US stock market is comparable to the dot-com bubble of the early 2000s. Remember that, pets.com? And history is now repeating itself. By now, if you're like me, you want to know what you can do to hedge your bets. I may not be the sharpest tool in the shed, but when the one guy who correctly predicted the crash of 2008 has 1 $8.6 billion in puts against SPY and QQQ, taking up 93% of his entire portfolio. We might want to pay attention. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. My lawyers want me to warn you to make your own decisions. Don't come after me. That's my time. I got to get back to work. I appreciate you guys watching Hidden Secrets Revealed live. Visit my X, formerly known as Twitter, profile to learn more. I appreciate you guys watching this show, the only live stream podcast of its nature right now. It's not necessary to follow me, but I follow others who are adding value. It's your choice. Team up with me, bring about serious advancement for each other. The plan is for our community to share with each other the systems, processes, workflows we are using in order to help each other grow. So I invite you to visit the official page of this show, safenewmedia.com/HSRL. My team and I are looking for property managers, motivated sellers, brokers, and other investors. Now, this is important because I don't really do the stock market thing. In fact, today I have a really small amount of things that I might get rid of because of this and invest elsewhere. But this is not financial advice. Right now, it's my opinion based on historical data and people smarter than me that multifamily real estate is the most reliable asset class. And there's several reasons for this, but one of them is that there are tax incentives there. And it also is stronger than the S&P 500 in the stock market. It is definitely a better bet, in my little amazing, magnificent opinion. So I'm looking I'm encouraging you to consider that. Okay, so that's why my team and I are looking for property managers, motivated sellers, brokers, other investors. I've started my team and I have started a company to do this. Call my office or send me an encrypted DM on Twitter X. Also, I have a newsletter called Methods of Prosperity that anyone can subscribe to. Go to hello.seanellenfenn.com/methods. It goes out every Thursday morning. It is the newsletter for anyone who agrees that success leaves clues. I don't have it all figured out, but other people do. And you can pattern match. You can look throughout history and see what people did wrong, what people did right, what pitfalls that people fall for every time, and avoid those pitfalls. You just learn from studying history. It's easy. So that's what we're studying right now. Right now, we're in studying the Gilded Age, the first millionaires and billionaires of the United States, when it was a new, early, young nation. That's my time. I gotta go. Thanks for making this the most popular live stream at this hour, broadcasting on Twitter, formerly known as Twitter, now called X. Hidden Secrets Revealed Live is a production of Safe New Media, unconventional, diversified global digital media company devoted to the practice, administration, and dissemination of the ideologies of its founder, moi, yours truly. It is definitely not a cult. However, I do encourage you to belong to something bigger than yourself. We're now giving away membership to become a partner for only $9.97 biweekly. That price won't always be that ridiculously low. It's next to nothing. And you can find out details. There's a link to tell you everything on safetymedia.com/HSRL. Also, if it were a cult, which it isn't, I'm not saying that it is a cult, but you can learn more at safetymedia.com/deep-tribe, 2 words, deep-tribe. Also, I encourage you to get into the Telegram chat. The private chat is accessed through guild.xyz/deep-tribe. There is a Telegram channel for this show called The Inner Circle, also available through guild.xyz. So all partners, first, before I tell you this, there's something really irrational that I do, and that's music. It's something that makes no sense. I don't do it for money. But I've stopped putting my releases on Web 2, and now they're only on Web 3. All partners are entitled to receive their own Inner Circle Deep Tribe Access Pass for Lens Protocol. This Access Pass grants you access to new music not available on Web 2 digital streaming providers. Side effects include perfect health, wealth, abundance, success, and prosperity. You can get into that by going to the official page of this show, safetymedia.com/HSRL. All right, that's it. I will leave you with the latest song. I have a new one coming out. There's a mix of it that I might put on the bonfire page for Access Pass holders. And this is the most recent collab with Grimes AI. It's available now. And here it is. All right, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. I have spoken.
Chains begin.